That's the 4 o'clock siren check that they said they were going to do for about 3 minutes straight. So to make sure all of them are working and everybody can hear them just fine. And
after that, the buses are free?
yeah, the buses are free for everybody to get to the shelters if you need to. If you don't have another place to go, if you don't have any friends or family or whatever, the buses are free, and the animals are going to be allowed on there. Not just service animals, but any animals to get you to safety.
And this siren is the marking of 3 hours of daylight left to get to where you need to be in case you are in a place that might flood or is dangerous.
Heavy downpour and mudslide area.
Yep.
And wind, of course.
Right.
But,
so that's what this is. Hey, Cooper. Hey, Cooper. Are we in a good area? Yeah? So what are we doing here?
Oh, so I'm cooking steak right now.
What time is it?
22:30 or 10:30. We're starting to cook some of the stuff right now. What you hear that noise is another one defrosting because the power just went out and came back on, and we just realized that we should probably go ahead and cook everything so that if the power does go out, at least we can eat pre-cooked food even if it's cold. So right now I'm just charring the steak on each side.
Wow, that looks really good. That's a huge, massive steak.
Yeah.
And there's one right there.
Yep.
That's yet to be defrosted.
Yeah.
And there's one in the microwave.
Yeah. So
that looks good.
Yeah. So we got this, and got some hamburgers, more steak,
and even more steak.
And even more steak. We got the pepper filet mignon already. We got the T-bone here, and then we got the top sirloin here. And I'll mix up some different seasonings for the hamburger, maybe some cheese and some regular seasonings and other. We'll just make it different so everybody can have a variety.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. And where's the dog? Right here. Because of the smoke, he's become self-preservation dog. Cooper? Are you not looking at me? So this is Friday morning at about 9 o'clock. It's raining and there's wind, but there's not a whole lot. As you can see, my mom lives right over like a big hill, and then there's like a ravine below. And across there is the high school, Quad City High School, but you can barely see it. Actually, the eye of the storm isn't supposed to pass over us until quite later. Maybe about Saturday evening. Right now it's moving at a speed of approximately 2 miles per hour, which is very slow. But it is nice and breezy though.